Yeah, I bought a new plant, and I want to put it into my first potato pot. Oh, what a mess!
Here at the nursery, we have plenty of plants. I have a whole tray of plants, and I want to put it in my new pot. So I also have to repot my plant. Oh, but the plant fell. Look at it, the roots are all smashed and everything. Oh no, that's not good.
Hi, I'm Anne.
And I'm Julian, and we're first year engineering science students, and we came up with the idea of potting plants into different sized pots in a clean and safe way.
Earlier prototypes of our product have us cutting from the bottom of the plant. This was okay, but we thought we wanted to add a little bit of safety to our product. So by doing this, we thought, why don't we just come from the top, where we can grab the plant and make sure we don't cut off any of the roots and make sure it's safe. So our product's the Plant Snagger, and our product is a two-piece product. It has the bottom light plate and this adjustable steel part that's going to contract or expand to fit the size of your pot. You do that by pushing or pulling together the tongs until you have your adjusted size. Then you lower the pot, or this piece into the pot. You grab the plant. It's going to dig in through the soil with these shovel-like steel tips. It's going to grab the plant. You're going to squeeze together on the tongs, lift up, push the button. This piece will come around and hold your pot, and you'll pick it up, move to your next pot, and place it right in. Let me show you. So this is our prototype here. This piece here can expand or contract, and it's going to be made out of an adjustable steel so that it maintains its circle form. Now, you're just going to go right out. You're going to adjust it really wide so it doesn't hit the plant. You're going to go through the screws at the bottom, and the steel is going to dig right in. You're going to grab the plant, squeeze, and lift. And you're going to lift up the whole plant, move it over, put the steel plate underneath it, place it right down in the new pot. So what do we learn from our prototype? Well, we learned this part here can't be made out of rubber. We got to make it out of some kind of steel so that it's strong enough to pierce the soil and also can maintain its circle form. So some of our key design decisions start with the button part here and the spiral rod. We decided to make a spiral rod, so it just takes a force here on the button. We'll rotate the spiral and place this underneath. However, we don't want this thing going out of control, so we want a high friction up here, so it takes a little bit of extra effort to push that button. So we decided to use an aluminum member, which has high friction, and when we push it, can spiral around and fit perfectly there. Our next design decision was to use this piece here, ergonomically friendly with a nice wave shape. The wave shape contours your hand, and it's easier use and very user-friendly. The next design decision is to place these so that it kind of goes on top of it, as if you were pushing down on a shovel with your feet, if you can imagine that. It'll help it, so when you apply a force here, the same force will be applied here. Help the shovel-like tips at the bottom dig right into the soil and really get the plant with ease. Lastly, we decided to model this circular piece here, the steel piece, after a cake maker, which can change sizes, different sizes, bigger and smaller. We thought this was best because it's stainless steel, it's a little bit stronger, and it can dig right into the soil. So we have our original 8 ideas here, and we decided that this idea was the best out of all of those. We used a little quick pew chart, but it's not just the pew chart that showed us what was best, is that we thought this idea was best for our objectives of versatility, usability, and plant safety. We designed our product for versatility. We made sure that it could open and close to fit any size circular pot we needed. We also designed our product for usability. We made sure that it was easy enough to use that even the occasional potter would find a good use of our product. Lastly, we made sure that it was safe for the plant. To ensure added security of safety, we included this part here, this little plate that will come around and hold underneath your plant in case you got to travel bits of distances with your plant, or even just to make sure it's okay. So that's our product, and it's clearly going to work, and it's the best, safe, clean option to repot plants.